are once again welcome to accountancy class, grade 11. So as you know very well that so more than 1 month we discussed about chapter number 6, rectification of errors. So even though we completed trial balance, rectification of errors very important session. That's why we have to discuss in detail to one. So today we are going to discuss one of the important problem in NCERT book. It's a final problem, page number 222 and 223. Okay. So you take that NCERT book, page number 222. See that last question number 25. See here more than 12 transactions are there. So here we can discuss detailedly for the entire discussion about the rectification of errors. Okay. So the latter, once you watch this video, definitely I hope that you can clear about yourself and you can make it strong. How to make it rectification of errors. As you know very well, rectification of errors totally 4 types of error. Okay. That's why I am recollecting once again. So error of omission, error of commission, thereafter error of principal, then rectification of error, very important, compensating error. So first of all you want to identify, so whatever the transaction, the error located, what error you have to identify first. Later, accordingly, whenever you want to do correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry, wherever necessary. If that practice you develop, rectification of errors, very easy. Even your examination also. Okay. Now let's see question number 25. So question number 25, see here. So what they said. So I will read the title. Question number 25. Trial balance of John did not agree because some differences in trial balance. Okay. So he put the difference to suspense account. So you want to open suspense account simultaneously. Okay. So you give some space. You want to open suspense account simultaneously and discover the following errors. So one by one we are going to discuss. See here the first error is what? See, in the sales book for the month of January. Okay. For the month of January. So what happened? Total page 2 was, when you are going to carry forward the next page, what happened? 1000 instead of 1200. That means what? When you carry forward error. Okay, here coming under error of commission, what happened? It is a carry forward error. So what happened? Actually, you want to write what? Page number 3 is 1000 instead of 1200. So actually you are supposed to write 1200. So how much is the return? So here naturally coming under cost, isn't it? It's under cost of sales book 200. Okay. Then page number 6 was again same sales book. Page number 6 was carry forward to page number 7 as 5600 instead of 5000. Okay. So here over cost. Sorry, I make it you confused. So here instead of 1000 instead of 1200. So total page number 3 is 1000 instead of 1200. That means for 200 under cost. Here what happened? Page number 6 was carried forward to page number 7 as 5600 instead of 5000. That means what? Over cost. You understood now? So here over cost of how much? Totally 600. Okay. So you are supposed to enter 5000, but they entered 5600. So over cost. You are supposed to write 1000, 1200, but return only 1000. So how we are going to do rectification entry? Very interesting, very important. So anyway you have to make it 2 rectification. You can do it 1 rectification. For example, so what is the first one? Let's see the first example. So under cash 200. So how we are going to write? See, as you know, suspense account, debtor. Okay, as a sales book, isn't it? So 2 sales account, how much? 200 because of under cost. Okay, so thereafter this one, what happened? It is over cost. So they are supposed to debit sales account, isn't it? So sales account, debtor. So both are rectification entry. Okay, sales account debtor, how much? 600 to suspense account. Okay, 600. So here, anyway, if you make it instead of 2 entry, you can do it 1 entry. Because net effect is what? Here what happens? Sales account want to be reduced. Okay, so when you make this instead of 600 for 2 entry, okay, one is for under cash entry. So another is for over cash entry. So what is the final rectification entry? let's see, very interesting. You need not write two retribution entry. So directly you can write what? So here, when you simplify this, what will happen? Net effect is 400. So sales account data, see, sales account data 400. Okay, because 600 minus 200. So instead of two retribution entry, you can go and write only one entry. That's what I given the detailed explanation. This is for the under costing, this is for the over costing entry. Okay, over cost. So what is the final rectification? Sales account data 600 minus 200, 400 to suspense account. Okay, suspense account how much? Only 400. So understood. That's what the understanding here. So narration being you have to write carry forward as usual. It's 1000 instead of 1200 and carry forward page number 6 was carry forward page number 7. Now 5600 instead of 5000 now rectify. So that narration we are going to write. Okay. So now how we are going to write suspense account? See, in suspense account you can write only what? By sales account. By sales account only 400. You understood? So instead of writing two rectification entry, you can write it final rectification. Or you can write same manner for understanding purpose. So first rectification entry because of undercosting, second rectification entry because of overcosting. So what's the net effect? Because in any way if you make it suspense account both side, net effect become only 400. That's why directly you can write rectification entry, sales account data 400 to suspense account 400. I understood, that's why I'm going to suspense account open by sales account 400. I understood the transaction one. So very interesting one. Here especially for the because of the carry forward error coming in the error of commission. Okay, that's what you can easily locate it rectification entry very easy. Okay, now go to next one. What is it? So what is the next one? You take the next page, page number 223. So whenever you are watching video, please keep with your NCERT book, especially by rectification of errors. So exercise I am taking from here only, so you can able to follow very easily. So whenever video when you want to see, so simultaneously please keep the NCERT book. Then you can be able to understand very clearly. See, that's why I am writing the transaction also. So what is B? See what they given wages. See wages paid for installation. Okay, they paid wages for installation of machinery, isn't it? Installation of machinery. Okay, how much? 500 was posted. What happened? To wages account. To wages account as rupees 50. Okay, which was the transaction they given. So now let's see. Actually, wages paid for installation of machinery. So this is the amount paid to machinery coming under what one? This is the capital expenditure. So what happened? They posted to wages account only 50. Okay, so that is wrong. So they consider as revenue expenditure. So what type of error? This is coming under error of principal because allocation of expenditure they wrongly posted. So what is the wrong entry? Now let's see. Wrong entry. So here you can do what is the wrong entry, what is the correct entry, what is the rectification entry. So then only you can be able to understand the error very easily and quickly you can do it rectification error. Okay. So what is the rectification entry? Wrong entry. So what happened? They posted to wages account. Okay. So as usual wages account. Okay. Data only 50 only they done it. Okay. To cash account. Okay. So 50. So what is the correct entry? Correct entry was wages paid for installation of machinery. So you are supposed to debit which account? Machinery account because capital expenditure. Okay. So that's why it is error of principal. So correct entry is what? Machinery account data. Okay. Machinery account data. How much? 500. Okay. So amount 500. 500. Okay. To cash account. That's what you have to write. Cash or bank account. Okay. Cash or bank account. Bank account 500. This is the your correct entry. And now let's see what is the rectification entry. How we have to do? So anyway, we are going to debit what? Machinery account. Okay. Suppose we are going to debit only machinery account. That's what we are doing now. Because earlier not done, now we are going to do retribution entry, machinery account, debtor, how much? 500. Okay, that is over. So what happened? You are wrongly written wages account, isn't it? Now, to rectify, you are going to do now credit wages account. Okay, so to wages account. How much? Only 50. Okay, that's what this entry is coming here. Because earlier wrongly debited, now rectified. Okay, so what is the difference? That is, you are going to credit suspense account. How much? 450. Now understood. The narration being, I have to write, being wages paid for installation of machinery. Okay, machinery, posted wages account ₹50, now rectified. Okay, now rectified. Now understood. That's what your rectification entry. Now suspense account came. So how to post in suspense account? So when suspense account is credit side, you want to make it was. So as a machinery, you are going to credit. How you are going to write? By machinery account. By machinery account. So what is the value? 450 only. Okay, this is the value. We are going to make it here. Suspense account. You have understood? That's what our second transaction. This is for the error of principal. So because allocation of expenditure wrongly posted. Now understood how to do rectify. So this practice you have to come whenever you make it a rectification entry. So for that, I repeat once again, you should be strong what? Journal entries. Strong journal entries. Rectification order. So very easy. Okay, now we are going to do third one. Okay, now let's see third one. Okay, so just to copy, when you take the, when you watch the video, please with your notebook, immediately you please copy entries. Because we are going to remove now. Okay, so you can also follow same manner. Okay, so I given time now, so just to go through it. So understood now. So narration here very, very important. Okay, now third one I am going to write. So what is the third one? They given machinery purchase from R&Co for 10,000 on credit was entered to purchase book. Okay, so third one, machinery. Okay, machinery purchased from what? R&Co. R&Co. For how much? Rupees 10,000. Okay, that was the transaction. On credit. Okay, so what happened? Was entered in where? Purchase book. Okay, in purchase book. Okay, in purchase book as 6,000. Okay, and posted there. What is that? Posted there from to R&Co. As 1,000. Okay. So this is what the transaction they given. Okay, now let's see. Just go through now. Okay. Okay, so now let's see that. See, machinery purchased from R&Co for 10,000 on credit. Up to this, that's what the transaction is supposed to happen. So anyway, first I will write it correct entry for your understanding. So what is the entry? Machinery purchased from R&Co means what? What is the entry? So machinery account data. Okay, machinery account data. How much? 10,000. Purchased from whom? To R&Co. That's what the correct entry is supposed to be made. So what happened? So what is the wrong entry? Now you can understand. So what happened? was entered in purchase book. So what type of error again? Error of principal. Okay. So what happened? They debited purchases account. Purchases account. That how much? 6,000. That is the first mistake. And posted RMCO. How much? Only 1,000. Now understood? That's what the wrong end. So, even the debit part instead of machinery, they done it purchase account. So, amount also wrong. Instead of 10,000, they make it as 6,000. Then, even credit part, as RM code, credit part they done it correctly, but amount what they have done. Instead of 10,000, they make it 1,000 only. Now, let's see how to do rectification entry. As you know very well, the supposed to debit machinery account. Okay, so machinery account. Machinery account. How much? Anyway, 10,000. Okay, that is all. Thereafter, here wrongly done it. This purchases account. Okay, so I want to rectify that. Okay, so that's why two purchases account. I want to remove that credit side 6,000. That is the one part you have to do. Then what happened? This RMCO, they only done it 1,000 instead of 10,000. So how much difference you are going to credit RMCO? So two RMCO how much? Two RMCO 9,000, isn't it? How 9,000 difference of this difference? Okay, that's what here 9,000. We want to do further credit to RMCO. Now what is the credit part? 15,000. So debit part difference is what? That is suspense account. Because that part only difference. How much? 5,000. Now understood this. That's what? First one, this is the error of principal. So here, even debit part and credit part, they were posted wrongly. So debit part, date also wrong and amount also wrong. Credit part, see here. Credit part, RMCO correct, but amount is wrong. So even error of principal and error of commission also they done it. Okay, that's what rectification entry. First you do like this machinery account. I'm supposed to do 10,000. Yes, correct. So earlier wrongly done it purchase account. I want to remove purchase account credit. Then earlier RMCO 1,000 only they done it. Actually how much you are going to do 10,000? Difference 9,000. I'm going to account 9,000. The difference naturally 5,000. That's suspense account. So narration begin. That's what narration. You have to practice. Machinery purchased. Okay, that's what machinery being. Machinery purchased. Okay, machinery purchased from RMCO. RMCO. So whatever 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, entered in purchase book. Okay, and from RMCO 1,000. So now rectify. So you want to write detail in narration account. Now understood. That's what the very important one for this. Now how the posting as a suspense account is the book posting. Suspense account. We are going to do this one. We have to write two purchases account. Okay, two purchases account. How much? This value 5,000. Okay, so 5,000. As a suspense account, that's what, as a suspense account base, I have to write two purchase account 5,000. Now understood. That's what your third entry transaction. It's very interesting, very important. Here two type of error. One is error of principal and even error of commissions also done it. Okay. Now let's see the next one, fourth one. Okay. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. It's very interesting. Let's see the transaction. See, credit sales to more than 5,000 were recorded in purchase book. So what happened? Actually the transaction was relating to sales. But what happened? They wrongly recorded to purchases book. But you can write directly for what? Rectification entry, isn't it? So anyway, credit sales to Morgan. So you want to write Morgan account. here I am doing directly rectification entry by practice, quick practice. Okay. Rectification, Morgan account data. Okay. That's what anyway we are going to write. How much? Morgan account 5,000, isn't it? That is sales to Morgan account. So, was recorded in purchase book. The earlier they are going to record in purchase book. So how much? So 2, how are going to write? So they are going to record to what? Purchases account. So anyway, first Morgan account data 5,000 to sales account. That is the correct entry, isn't it? 5,000. That's what the entry. But what happened? They record in purchase book. I want to remove. So I am going to credit purchases account. Purchases account. How much? 5,000. Okay. So now what's the difference? Now check it. So what's the difference we are going to do? Difference is what? Suspenses account. Okay, that's what debit part. Suspense account. Okay, suspense account. How much? 5,000. Now understood? That's why rectification entry. Directly you can write. So narration, billing, what? Credit sales. Credit sales to Morgan. But recorded in purchase book. Okay, in purchases book. Now 35. That's what we are going to write. Understood directly? That's right. So now move for the suspense account. Because suspense account came. So suspense account is, this is the base. I'm going to write what? To sales account. Okay. To sales account. What is that? Am I right? To sales account. I'm going to write how much? 6,000. Isn't it? Okay. So to so here, instead of that, no suspense account will come, little bit confusion. So here what happened? Credit sales, how much? Morgan, 5,000. Okay. So that's what you are going to do. You want to make it 10,000. So suspense account won't come. So what will happen? Our Morgan account become now what? 10,000. Okay. That's what we want to remove because earlier Morgan 5,000 were recorded in purchase book. Na? So that's what now Morgan account 10,000. So now that's what we are going to do sales account 5,000 to purchase account 5,000. So that's why suspense account won't come here. Okay, that's a little bit confusion. Okay, then next one. You understood? Then next one, very important. Here suspense account won't come. So whatever you want to 5,000 for Morgan account, you will make it 10,000 to remove that. Okay, then goods returned to wrong 1,000 were recorded in sales book. So what happened? Actually it is the goods return. Goods return means purchase return. But what happened? The return in sales book. So what is the direct rectification entry? Earlier I done it sales account. Okay. So that's what the sales rectification entry directly we can write. Okay. Sales account data how much? 1,000. Okay. We are going to credit what? Purchase return only. Okay. Purchase return account 1,000. So narration being what? Goods returned to wrong being goods returned to wrong. Okay, goods returned to wrong were recorded in sales book. Were recorded in sales book. Now 35. Okay, so usually you are credited sales, so recorded wrongly. That's why now I am going to debit sales account. Understood? So credit as usual, purchase return is supposed to make it. That's why purchase return account 1,000, so debit purchase sales account. Okay, so here also suspense account won't appear because both sides only rectify as a debit and credit card. Okay, now we are going for the next one. That is F. Okay. See, now we are going to see the Just one. Credit purchases. So what is the transaction? So let's see. What is that? Credit purchases from S and Co. See, credit, this is E. Credit purchases. Okay. Credit purchases from S and Co. for 6,000. Okay, were recorded in sales book. Were recorded in recorded in sales book. Okay, next line. However, S and Co were correctly credited. However, S and Co correctly credited. Okay. So now let's see how we are going to work out this. Okay. See here, they given as a sales to whom? Here they done a purchases. Okay. Now let's see what is the transaction they given. See, credit purchases from S and Co for 6,000. So first I write it correct entry for understanding. So actually what happened the transaction. That's why now for understanding purpose, credit purchases from S and Co 6,000. What is the entry? Purchases account data. How much? 6,000. Okay. To S and Co. Okay, S and Co 6,000. But what happened? What's the wrong entry? So S and Co was correctly credited. Okay. But what happened? They done it record in sales book. Okay. So what happened? They credited sales account 6,000. Okay. So credit one instead of purchases, they done it sales account 6,000. That's what the but credit part they done it. S and Co was correctly credited. So this part they done it correctly. Okay, this part they done it correctly. So only the instead of purchases they done it what? Sales account. So how to do that? Now let's see first purchases rectification entry. What is that? Purchases account data. How much? 6,000. Yes. Anyway, as supposed to debit. So earlier wrongly this credit part we are going to rectify. Okay. So to sales account. How much? 6,000. Okay. So credit part is done it correctly. So now what is the credit part? To suspense account. How much? 12,000. Understood now? That's what earlier purchases you are going to debit. That was supposed to be debit. So wrongly done it earlier sales account. Now I am going to rectify. That's why I am going to debit now sales account 6,000. So credit to suspense account 12,000 because credit part they S and Co done it correctly. Okay, this part credit part was corrected correctly. Only the confusion about they consider as sales instead of purchases. That's what rectification entry. Purchase account data 6,000, then sales account data 6,000 to suspense account 12,000. Now what is the narration being? Want to write same manner. Being credit purchases from whom? S and Co. Okay. Recorded in sales book. Okay. Now rectify. Now understood? So now how to write in suspense account? The suspense account. Anyway, you want to credit now. So by purchases account. This two part we are going to write, isn't it? The suspense account. So anyway credited. By purchases account. How much? 6,000. Okay. By sales account 6,000. Understood now? That's what? Here suspense account, we got the amount. Now we are going to credit it by purchases account 6,000, by sales account 6,000. Now let's see next one. What is the next? Next. Credit sales to Raman 4,000. Posted the credit of Raghavan is 1,000. See, it's very, very interesting one. Okay, now I clean this. Okay, what is that? Okay. So what is the? This is the. Which one we discussed up to F. Okay. Now go for the G. What is that? Credit purchases from amount to 6,000. So done it. Credit purchases. Okay. Credit purchases from M and Co. How much? Rupees 6,000. Okay. That's what the transaction. Were recorded in sales book. Were recorded in sales book. How much? Recorded in sales book as 2,000. As 2,000. Okay, that is the one part. And posted there that from. That's whatever they can credit. So once they posted in sales book 2,000, posted there from to the credit of M and Co only 1,000. M and Co as 1,000. So this what happened. You understood for this transaction. So this is what happened. Okay. Now let's see how the effort is going to give. Okay. So now just to see the transaction. So suppose you are confused, read 2 or 3 times. Then only you can able to understand very clearly. So one by one we will do it now. So let's see what is the first transaction one here. See clearly now. As credit purchases from M1 to 6,000. Up to this, what happened? So first let's see correct entry. Then we can able to understand. So what is that? Purchases from M1 to. So purchases upon data. How much? 6,000. To M1 Co account, isn't it? M1 Co account 6,000. That's what you want to enter correctly. So what happened here from the problem from here recorded in sales book as 2,000. So what happened? Wrong entry. They recorded. They consider as sales. Okay. So to sales account. Okay. Credited 2,000. That is the one part here. Okay. From there they credited M1 Co instead of 6,000. They credited how much? Again M1 Co. Only 1,000 only. Now understood. That's what the mistake they done. So first of all, instead of purchases, they consider sales. It's one mistake. The amount also wrong. Second mistake. Third one, they want to suppose to credit M1 Co. Credit say 6,000. They credited only 1,000. So 3 mistakes it was happened. Okay. So error of commission. Okay. So they forget to work. Now how to do the rectification entry? Okay, very, very interesting. So anyway, purchase account you want to work out. Yes, correct. So purchase account you want to make it. Purchases account data 6,000. Okay, so what happened? First one, they wrongly credited sales account. So I want to make it sales account now. Okay, sales account, how much? As 2,000. Okay, sales account 2,000. Okay, this part we want to make it here. Then M1 Co, see M1 Co, you are supposed to credit how much? 6,000. But how much difference? You are supposed to further credit how much? 5,000 again we are going to credit. Okay, that's what. To M and Co. To M and Co. account. So how much difference you are going to credit? How much? Totally 5,000. Now correct. You want to account this because they credited only 1,000. So now I am going to credit further 5,000. That's what to M and Co 5,000. Now let's see the difference. That's what your suspense account. To suspense account. How much? Only 3,000. You understood? So purchase account, you are supposed to debit 6,000. That's what I done it here. Okay. Earlier wrongly credited sales account, I want to rectify. I make it sales account 2,000. Thereafter, anywhere going to credit 6,000, but the credited only 1,000. That's a wrong entry. Correct. So difference 5,000. I'm going to credit now. That's what to M1 Co 5,000. So now difference is to suspense account 3,000. Variation we have to write same manner. Credit purchases by M1 Co as 6,000. I record in sales book as 2,000. Okay. And posted there from the M1 Co 1,000. Now rectify. Same manner. We want to write the entire transaction. Come on. Now rectify. That's what we want to write it here. Now suspense account came. So how to portion suspense account? That's suspense account. Okay. We want to credit this one. Okay. Amount is not. The credit this part we want to write in a suspense account. Go to suspense account by purchases account. Okay. By purchases account. How much? 3,000. Understood? So this part only are going to write in the suspense account. Are going to credit by purchases account 3,000. Here only whenever to debit, to credit like that, you become confused how to do posting. That's what the only complication when you prepare for the suspense account. So only one side not an issue. If you do like this, you want in the suspense account, by first letter you have to write in the suspense account, by purchase account, amount is 3,000. Now understood. That's what the posting you want to work out. Now let's see the next one. The continuation of the next one. Now let's see what is there. Okay. Go through this. Going to go for the next one. Okay, now let's see the H1. Credit sales to Raman of 1,000. Okay, that's what the sales happened. To whom? Raman. But what happened? Posted to the credit of Raghavan as 1,000. So here you can write it directly retribution entry. Let's see here. Very simple one. So anyway, you are supposed to debit whom? Raman. Okay, so Raman account. So only the problem, Raman and Raghavan. Okay, Raman account data, how much? 4,000. Finish. So what happened? Earlier, they wrongly credited Raghavan 1,000. So I want to remove now. So we want to rectify. So how you are going to do? To make it debit now Raghavan. Finish. Raghavan. Raghavan account data, how much? 1,000. Okay. So naturally credit part one side header. Okay. To suspense account. To suspense account. How much? 5,000. How understood? The narration same manner. Being credit sales to Raman. Raman posted. Raman posted to the credit of Raghavan. Now 55. Okay. Now understood. Here you can directly do rectification entry. Okay. Now let's see the next one. What is that? Here, see, bills receivable for 1,600 from Noor was dishonored and posted debit of allowance account. So it is coming under error of principal. As you know the bills receivable, already you know the terms. Instead of money, the debtor will give the promissory note. I will definitely going to pay some period of time. When you understood accounting terms, you have to know what the bills receivable. Okay. So as a instead of money, they given the some promissory note. That's what the bills receivable for 1,600 from Noor. See, earlier Noor given, what happened? Dishonor. So he not obey that promise. Okay, so the default about the Noor promise. Naturally, the reverse entry. So what happened? Instead of Noor account debit, they done it what? Debit of allowance account. So now what is the entry? That rectification entry. We can do it. Okay. So Noor account should be debit. The entry is reversed. Normally bills receivable account returned to Noor account. Okay. So now the entry is reversed. Noor account data 1,600. So earlier wrongly debit of allowance account. So it's wrong. Error of principle. Supposed to debit Noor. Okay. Now I'm going to rectify to allowance account. Okay. So I'm going to credit the allowance account. Allowance account 1,600. Understood? No. So narration billing bills receivable from Noor. Okay. Was dishonor and posted to allowance account now rectified. You understood now? That's why the transaction here. So the more discretion coming under bill of exchange. As of now, this current scenario due to the pandemic situation, so what happened? Some chapters deleted. Okay, that's why the bill of exchange you can say detailedly about the bills receivable, bills payable. Here just for the transaction purpose, little bit you can able to understand. So strong in accounting term. What is the meaning of bills receivable? What's the meaning of opposite what? Bills payable. Suppose you are a person who's purchased from supplier, you are given the bills payable to whom? Supplier. Okay, same manner here, bills receivable requiring debtor. The vendor bills receivable, this were related to whom? As a debtor's point of view. Okay, debtors. Relative of debtors. Bills payable, creditor. Okay, that's what the transaction here, rectification. Here also, here suspense account, yes, I'm going to write this. Suspense account, I'm going to write by Raman account. By Raman account, 4,000. Okay. Then Raghavan account, 1,000. By Raghavan. Okay, Raghavan account, 1,000. That's what. Here no suspense account. Only the entry reversed. Here suspense account won't come. Here suspense account come. Because only the credit part is the problem. Sales account clear, credit part clear. That's why one side debit part is the problem. Instead of Raman account, the wrongly credited Raghavan account now rectified. That's what you are posted to suspense account. And next one, cash paid to money 5,000 against our acceptance. Same manner. Debited to Manu account. Actually, cash paid to money. Whom? Instead of money, they debited to Manu account. So you want to cancel that. So that's what was a rectification entry. Here as a creditor. Here bills receivable we discussed the same manner here. Rectification entry wrongly debited to Manu. Paid to whom? Money. To cancellation of bills payable. That's what the bill rectification entry. Bills payable. Bills payable account data. How much? 5,000 to Manu account. Earlier debited, now credited to Manu account. To Manu account 5,000. Okay. So, what is the narration? Same way we have to write. As being cash paid to whom? Money. Okay. But what happened? Money as acceptance debited to Manu. Debited wrongly, isn't it? Debited to Manu. Manu account now rectified. So what happened? You paid money to money, wrongly debited to Manu account. That's what we are cancelled now. So earlier debited, I'm going to cancel as credit to Manu account. Debit is bills payable account. Same manner here, bills receivable. So understood? That's what our this transaction. Okay. So here we can do it for directly rectification entry. So wherever necessary, you want to do correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry. Somewhere not necessary, you can directly move for the rectification entry. Now let's see the continuation. Okay, now let's see the continuation on this transaction. So now let's see the K. Old furniture sold for 3,000 was posted to sales account 1,000. That means what? Actually, we disposed the old furniture. So what is the correct entry? What's the correct entry? You can understand very clearly. So what happened? Got money, isn't it? Cash account debtor. How much? 3,000. Okay. To furniture account, isn't it? Furniture account. Because furniture goes out. So both coming under real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So whatever cash comes in, our old furniture sold out. That's what the correct entry. So what happened? They consider as sales. So what happened here? Error of principal. The first of all, they wrong. Error of principal. Error of commission. So sales account. Amount also wrong. 1,000. So what is it? Wrong entry. They done it. What happened? So anyway, cash account. Okay, cash account. I make it 3,000. But what happened? They make it sales account. Sales account only 1,000. That's what the error they done it. Okay, that's what they happened. So cash part, debit part, no issue. Only instead of furniture credited, they credited sales account. First mistake. Thereafter amount. Okay. So amount mistake. So how to do the rectification entry? Simple one, easy one. So this coming under error of what? Principal. Understood? So here anyway now I am going to here cash account, correct. So what I have to do? I am going to wrongly done it sales account. I make it debit part. Okay, sales account. Sales account data how much? 1,000. Correct. So anyway I am going to credit furniture account now because furniture account only we are going to credit. So I am writing now correctly to furniture account. Furniture account how much? 3,000. Okay. So the difference should be what? Debit for suspense account. That's what now we are going to enter. Suspense account. How much? 2,000. Understood? That's what earlier wrongly credited. I am going to debit part now. So whatever furniture anyway suppose I am going to credit. Now I am done it. So the difference is suspense account 2,000. So likewise we practice, we can able to understand rectification entry. Okay. So narration, old being old furniture. Okay. Being old furniture sold. Okay. For 3,000. Okay. 3,000 was posted to sales account as 1,000. Now as 1,000 now rectified. Okay, that's a narration, very very important. Please you have to write narration part, very important. According to yourself, you understood the journal entry accordingly, you have to write narration. Now understood about this rectification entry. So whenever necessary, please write wrong entry, correct entry, then rectification entry. Suppose you are strong in journal entry, you can do directly rectification entry. For understanding purpose, explanation, we will discuss in detail here. Okay. Now what is next one? What is the next one? See here, next one. Depreciation provided on furniture 800 was not posted. Here they totally forget. So what type of error? Error of omission. So what is the entry coming for K? Next one is what? Now J. Okay. K, sorry, L. So what is that L? I am writing here. So they totally forget to write. What is the entry? Simple depreciation account data. Okay, depreciation account data. Sorry, I am writing this suspense account. I forgot to write. To furniture account. Got to write this to furniture account. To furniture account. Suspense account how much? 2,000. I am going to write it here. Okay. That's what this for suspense account is there. So that's why simultaneously to open account we can do it immediately. Otherwise later on also you can do it. But simultaneously to do the work. So they are easy to do work out very easily. Quickly you can do it. Okay. So now depreciation account data. What happened? Depreciation provided on furniture 800 was not posted. Okay. So now we are going to do depreciation account data 800 to furniture account. Okay, furniture account 800. So being same as what public being depreciation on, you can write same depreciation provided on furniture. Okay, furniture rupees 800 was not posted earlier, now rectified. Okay, now rectified. That's what we have to write. That's what our L1. Now see the final transaction as a lengthy one, isn't it? For this exercise. Now let's see what's the final one. Materials 10,000 and wages 3,000 were used for construction of building. So whatever the material and wages for the purpose of our construction of building, next line, no adjustment was made in the books. So for that, they not even done it, adjustment. That's what our final transaction. Okay, let's see, you have to write direct retribution entry. So they not done the adjustment. So whatever they happen. So what happened? So whatever the purchases wages, we consider as what? We consider as building. As a error of principal. Okay, so no adjustment. See, earlier they purchases, earlier they done it wages. Purpose of what? Building account. That's what? M, final one, M. Are supposed to debit what? Building account. So rectification entry. Okay. Building account. Data. How much? 13,000. How 13,000? That's all. Let's see. I credit two purchases account. See, that's what the construction of building. Okay, that material. Okay, we can consider purchases how much? 10,000. Then two wages. So earlier wrongly debited whatever purchases. Now we want to do adjustment entry. Entire amount transfer to building account. Okay, that's what the idea here. Two wages. Account 3,000. Okay, so that's what being for construction building. Okay, building material and wages. Now adjustment made. Understood? Adjustment made. How understood? That's what the last entry. Now rectify the errors and prepare suspense account to ascertain the difference in trial balance. Now, after discussion of all, entirely, totally, more than total transaction up to M. So, wherever suspense account, you can make it postal suspense account. Now, going to tally the suspense account. Now, let's see why the preparation of suspense account. Exactly now, what is the difference in trial balance? Maybe debit side and credit side. Okay, now let's see. So, maybe here credit side is more part. So, we need total 12, 15, 19, 20. Okay, so 20,000. 850. Okay, 20,000. 850. So differences were to balance carried on. How much? 7. Okay, 850. 5 plus 2, 7. So here 0. Consider as 10. So 3. Balance 1. Okay, so 13,000. Correct? 13,850. That's what your answer. That means what? You have to write credit side. By balance brought down. How much? 13,850. So likewise, this is the meaning what? You want to write difference in trial balance. Okay, see difference in trial balance. Okay, difference in trial balance. Whatever the amount, excess credit, isn't it? Excess credit. Because coming this side. That means what? When you prepare the trial balance, now after preparation of suspense account, so whatever total, the difference credit side will become more. That's what 38,850. What is that? That is what? Difference in trial balance. Difference in trial balance. Now how much? 13,850 excess credit. That means what? Here amount is more. For example, credit side is more than the debit side. That's what the understanding. Now understood? That's why we are preparing suspense account to find out excess credit. Suppose unable to locate this 13,850, you know very well now. So whatever even though unable to identify any suspense account difference, where you are going to show in your balance sheet, correct? So whatever debit balance, where you want to show as an asset side. So whatever credit balance, you have in your liability side. Now understood? So that's what rectification of errors, very interesting chapter to identify the locating error with the help of whole classification, error of commission, error of omission, error of principal, compensating error. So for that we discussed maybe the more than the 1 month with the help of some important exercise inside the book. So this is the last exercise, question number 25, NCERT 222 until 23. We discussed detailedly, simultaneously, how we prepare suspense account. Finally worked out what the differences by balance brought down 13,850, nothing but difference in trial balance, excess credit 13,850. That's what I shown the example. Likewise, you want to practice in rectification of error. It's a very important chapter. Okay, again I'm repeating several times. The strong in journal entry, rectification of error is very easy. So that's what, wherever you have to work out wrong entry, correct entry, then go for the rectification entry. Okay, I hope that you understood this session, video session, very interesting one. Okay, so next chapter, next session, going for the depreciation and provision and reserve for subsequent chapter. Okay, so for that, please go through this video several times to identify the error and try to work out the exercise in your book, then make it yourself strong. Okay, I hope that you understood this session. Okay, so thank you very much.